Museum of Natural History in Paris. Did you see that bird? We're gonna check it out. See the elevators from Paris. It's a whale. You see that? It's a whale. See how big that whale is? Do you see, Drake? Oh my goodness, look at these bones. Look at this. What is this? A shark swordfish. Oh my goodness. Do you see this? Look at this. It's a little cavern. Oh my goodness, look how dark it is. This is like what it's like on the bottom of the ocean. It's this dark at the bottom of the ocean, even darker actually. Oh my goodness. Are you ready, Drake? Look at up here. This is where the taxidermy is. Oh, there's the lift. You see the lift right there? We can take that. Take that lift down. But look at all these different types of animals. We got seals, polar bears. Look at all this taxidermy. A giraffe. Do you see how big these animals are? We got all these birds. Look at cheetah. You see them? Oh, what is that? You found it? Does it tell you about it?
Yeah.
A bat? Tells you about a bat. So cool. And let's see how we get to that elevator.
Hey, look.
Oh, it does work.
We were talking about that elevator.
Yeah, that one says out of service. But this one is coming. Look at this. Interesting.
That's interesting.
Mm-hmm.
That's interesting.
Hydraulic.
Hydraulic.
Yeah. Look at this coming by. Very interesting.
It's a swallow.
We'll go up to the top floor. Whoa. Okay. Going up to three. Okay. So this in crap. Wow. There we go.
Two.
Mm-hmm.
Did you get that elevator? No.
Yeah, we're going up to the top.
Troisième étage.
Oh my goodness. Now look at this. There's a giraffe over there. I got some birds and making elephant noises. So cool. There goes the elevator. I love these floors. Go push it and come back here so we can watch it come. Go push the button. This one. This one right here. Go around and push the button. Yeah, push the button. Come back to Mom. Let's watch it come. Come here. one's here. Let's go to 2. 2. Going to 2. The door's closed.
Fermeture des portes. Deuxième étage.
Now let's see the toilets.
Ouverture des portes.
There's its own sink. You want to flush?
Never.
Doesn't have a name. No names on it. Let's see the other one. Oh, that's a very long handle. This one.
No name.
No name. Yeah, pretty cool. Rainbow. So hard to get these to flush. I'll try this one. So I pretend like I stood right in front of it. Yeah. There's it automatically.
That's how you get them to flush.
Back up. You did longer time. Alright, come on, let's see more of the museum. Yeah, and sanitize. Little birds, a panda. What do we got in here? Extinct animals. Oh, it's a dodo bird. These are animals that are extinct. I mean, there's no more. They're all gone forever. I look more. These ones are endangered. This is endangered animals. That means they might run out. Oh my goodness, look at this beautiful staircase. Beautiful. I want to make a video with my phone. These are endangered animals. Okay. This one's here for us.
I think this elevator.
Uh-huh. Go to 1. 1.
This one's a tiny bit dirtier.
Mm-hmm.
That's why the other one's not this.
There's 1. There goes that one.
Bye-bye, YouTube. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel.
Okay, jump down.